As the drought continues to increase, water theft has tripled in the county.
Good to see you, Em.
A beloved husband and father. He gave himself to this whole community.
Here's DeMarcus.
Here's DeMarcus.
DeMarcus.
Mom, you want to tell me what's happening?
You want to know what's going on?
Emma, you're the hotshot reporter. You figure it out. But remember, this isn't New York. They work by different rules here.
Sheriff Nico.
How you doing?
I had no idea everything was so bad.
You've been gone a long time.
Do you think someone could have killed my dad?
You butted heads with some politicians and environmentalists, but nothing pointed to anything other than an accident.
Don't you say anything about us being here tonight, and this will be the last face you'll ever see.
Dad was onto something.
Promise me you won't do anything without me.
I'm just trying to figure out what the hell is going on here.
You could cost people a lot of money. Many of them wish you'd just disappear.
It's all part of something bigger.
It's the only one thing counts, and that's numbers.
Something good can still come from this.